Hey everyone, I've been seeing a lot of headlines around market crashes, real estate, interest rates, so I decided to make a video. For those of you that don't know me, I am in solar and real estate. I branded myself as the solar realtor, and I really enjoy both solar and the real estate market. Make sure to check out my YouTube, subscribe and like this video. And feel free to go to johnbernasso.com where you can see my real estate page and some solar information as well. So let's get into it. Right here we have Orange County, California, Los Angeles County, Riverside County, and San Bernardino County in order of approximately price or value, if you will. And we're looking at all property types: single families, condos, townhomes, and all homes, all price ranges. So we have a 3-year view here, and we're looking at new listings. So as of April 2022, we have a pretty healthy amount of new listings. As you can see, normally in December and the holidays, new listings drop. People don't list homes around the holidays, Christmas, Thanksgiving, New Year's, things like that. So we always see a drop here again in December 2020 and 2019. We see a drop here in the last 3 years. Now, if we go to active listings, we can see there's a downward trend, meaning there's not that many listings on the market. So this is starting to tell me that the inventory available is a little bit low. You can see here how many listings are currently active. And if we go to pending sales, we had a spike in March, and of course we have a little decrease in April. Again, I think that's because there's just not as much inventory, not as many homes to choose from. So pending sales is slightly down from a month ago, but in comparison, not too bad. As we look at closed sales in April, quite a bit of closed sales still going on. So we're seeing a lot of transactions continue to be processed here in Southern California. Now, if we look at days on market, this is pretty surprising. Just in 3 years, guys. I mean, you can go back to, March or April of 2020. Days on market, how long it takes a home to sell while it's on the market. Orange County, LA County, only 12. Those are competitive markets. Riverside County was taking a little bit longer 2 years ago. 25 days, and San Bernardino County, 19 days. But let's keep going forward and look at days on market, April 2022. Orange County, 7 days before it gets under contract. LA County, 9 days. Riverside County, 10 days before something's under contract. San Bernardino, 9 days. And this is the median. The average is a little bit longer here, but still you see a downward trend. So we are not seeing things sit on market longer. We're seeing it sit shorter. It's still a hot market as of the month of April. And if we go to month supply, this means if everything was sold that's in the MLS in these 4 counties without getting any new listings, how long would it take us before we sell all the listings that are in the MLS in these counties? We're looking at 1.4 to 1.6 months. That is a very, very little supply. A lot of things tied to price is supply and demand. So if the demand is still there and the supply is not, prices will remain high. I cannot see a drop, at least a big or major drop coming in home prices. Looking at this data, there's not much supply. And if you look at the price here, the price per square foot, we're seeing, record price per square feet here in all counties, with a continual uptrend in the last 3 years, of course. Now, if we go to percentage of original price, meaning whatever it was listed for, it ended up selling for. And, you know, if we go back to 2 years ago, everything was selling for almost 98 to 100% of what it was listed for. So 2 years ago, you could get maybe a little discount, a couple dollars off. But as we fast forward to today, we're seeing still, again, as of April last year, this year, 2022, we're seeing all homes in all counties here go for 103 to 106% of what it's listed at. So if you want a home, you should be offering 6 to 10% higher than the list price. And sales price here, if you're looking in Orange County, we have an average of 1.2 million. LA County, 1.27 million. If you're living in Riverside County, we're showing an average of 710. San Bernardino County, an average of 569. Now that's pretty darn high. If we go to Orange County, just 2 years ago, 814K. So if you bought in Orange County 2 years ago with an average price of 814, it is now worth 1.2. You've almost, you know, have 50% equity. You've almost have $400,000 of equity if you bought 2 years ago in Orange County. So I just wanted to share again some things that I'm seeing in the market based on the supply, based on the days on market. I am not seeing a slowdown in these 4 counties. San Bernardino and Riverside counties are lower income, lower socioeconomics, lower sales price, dollar for dollar, but we're still seeing strength even in these cities. So I hope you enjoyed this video, this market update. Please check out my website, johnbernasso.com, and feel free to like and subscribe to this video. Find me on YouTube, Jonathan Bernasso, the Solar Realtor. Have a good day.